Hi from Elai. I'm Malik, a digital human presenter created by Elai.io. A promo video is a great way to market your business, product, or service, but how to make a promo video that is effective and engaging. Ask yourself, what do you want your promo video to achieve? Once you know what your goal is, you can start crafting the message of your video. When using Elai, the video script is your key, as it works as a text-to-video maker. Therefore, focus on your message first. It is time to start planning out the structure of the video. What kind of visuals will you use? Which one of the Elai promo voices is suitable for voiceover, or will you go with a narration one? Answering these questions will help you start putting together a rough outline for your video. The best promo videos are short and to the point. You want to make sure that your target audience will watch the entire video, so keep it under 2 minutes. Studies have shown that people have shorter attention spans than ever before, so you need to make sure that your video is engaging from beginning to end. If you are selling a product, show close-ups of the product in use. If you are promoting a service, use visuals that show how your service can benefit the viewer. Elai lets you make a screencast-based video, so you can even guide the audience through your website and show exactly what the benefits of your product are. Your promo video should stand out from the rest, and one way to do that is to use unexpected visuals. This could mean using footage that is not typical for a promo video or adding unexpected visual effects. When using Elai, including digital avatars is your go-to solution. They are high-quality, AI-powered video narrators who awe the audience and give a feeling of the usage of innovative technology. Promo videos are essential for any business, and creating them can be easier with the right tools. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye from Elai.